but I just blocked them. Simple. Did you guys just watch me fall? Embarrassing. I just came to the studio. Let me just remove my mask, then we'll talk. So a quick update on my skin. I look like, oh my god, these two are completely gone. This one's fading out as well. This one is still there, but the size and the redness is very less now. I have strict skincare to follow. I don't know why I'm talking in this angle, but I like this angle. Anyway, so today is 15th of December. It's my chachu's birthday, my kaka's birthday. So शाम को हम वहाँ पे जाने वाले हैं. So we have this ritual in my house, Mira and my kaka's house. I just have one kaka, by the way. So किसी का भी birthday हो, anniversary हो, we do meet each other in the evening, no matter what plans we have. The reason why I came here so late is because I am not filming any YouTube video. I just have to edit a video which I have to send to the brand. थोड़ा correction आया है, so I have to again sit to edit and give them for approval, and I hope they approve this time.
1 hour later.
Okay, so video is on render right now, and I thought I'll just speak to you guys about something that I want to speak to you since a very long time. So it's about the giveaways. Okay, the first giveaway was successful, and trust me, apart from like 3 to 4 weird, senseless, baseless DMs, everyone who did not win took it so sportingly. I was amazed by the response. Oh my god, like 2-3 लड़कियाँ थी थोड़ा weird they were behaving, but I just blocked them. Simple. I want to talk to you guys about giveaway week number 2 or 3, I don't know. तो मुझे 3 वीक कर रहे हैं हम, right? So मुझे एक वीक में YouTube और Instagram दोनों को मिक्स करना है, ठीक है? Like I want to gift people who are not on Instagram. I understand. Honestly, I remember people who comment on my YouTube videos than people who comment on my Instagram giveaway posts, because if you compare, I generally get around 300 to 400 comments on Instagram under my posts, but when I post a giveaway, I get around 3000 comments. Okay, so I don't understand who's a regular and who's not, because I want to give people who are regular, who DM me or who comment on my pictures regardless of the giveaway, right? Because I don't choose my giveaway winners randomly कि ऐसे आँख बंद करके एक finger रख दिया and I just like selected that person. I don't tell anybody else to select on my behalf. But last giveaway में क्या हुआ पता है? Those people got lost in the new giveaway entries. You know what I mean? So anyways, I'm figuring that out. But giveaway number 3 जो वीक नंबर 3 होगा, उसमें आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं यूट्यूब को भी इन्वॉल्व करूँ, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली व्हाट हैपेंड, यू नो, दैट डे साहिल एंड आई वेंट टू courier the boxes, and the area which we went to na, like it was very slum kind of an area, okay? And when they saw Nykaa ke boxes na, the girls over there were like looking at the boxes and stuff. So like Sahil also told me the same thing, that you know he feels really nice and proud that you know I do this for you guys, and because I am not getting anything in return, to be very honest. मेरे followers बढ़ेंगे शायद on Instagram because people think it's like a ninja technique to increase your followers. Yeah, probably it is, because in the end I need followers, I need my numbers to grow. I'm being very blunt with you guys. There's nothing to hide. जितना मेरा बड़ा number है, उतना ही बड़ा amount I can charge to the brands, and उस पे I can live. ये सब मैं अभी जो कर रही हूँ ये फ्री में तो है नहीं, राइट? आई हैव टू पे द रेंट, आई हैव टू पे द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, बट what I'm trying to say over here is that I want to keep on doing the giveaways. I want to keep on bringing smiles on your faces, because when you guys receive the gifts and when you send those pictures to me, videos to me, and say very nice things to me, ki, you know, Ansi, it made me smile, I have never tried high-end products, you're sending K-Beauty, you're sending MAC, you're sending Clinique, you're sending any of the brands they have not tried, they cannot afford it, and when they can afford it because of me, it makes me happy. Trust me on that. Did you guys just watch me fall? Embarrassing.
2 hours later.
Look at the pasars. What should I do? And it is 6:30. And by 7 we are supposed to leave and reach my kaka's house. But I don't know what to do. I don't like to be late, but I don't want to leave this pasara like this, like these tripods and piche ka and
A few moments later.
okay guys, so I'm leaving. I did not clean this. If Kiran watches this vlog, she's probably gonna get a heart attack. She's like Monica 2.0. She will kill me if she sees this. But I cleaned this area, like the tripods, lights, everything. I picked that up. वो makeup बस ऐसे मैंने बिखेर दिया है. I have to go home, get changed, and then I'll see you once I reach my kaka's place. Yes.
ऐकलंस?
काय?
10 मिनिटं तरी बोलतात ती लोक.
What?
ऑर्डर.
दे ना ऑर्डर माझी प्लीज.
We're having a pizza party, guys. Hi, Kaki. यावे.
हे सांगितलं ना मामा.
काका. डिडिंग 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 डिडिंग.
शैली फोटो काढला. बटरफ्लायचं काढला फक्त. Kaki, she's looking very pretty.
जीन्स अँड वे.
तुम लोग मैचिंग का ग्रीन ग्रीन. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, so it is 17th if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's 17th and I just came here. It's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and it's my third day. Girls would definitely relate to me. So on such days I like to use this is the Noah Cramp Comfort. So you guys already know that I love using their sanitary napkins. I have already spoken about them, and so many of you guys have already bought those and loved those pads. If you want to check that video out, I'll be leaving that video on the screen. It's called my period routine. I think if you are someone who deals with a lot of cramps and just uneasy periods, you should definitely check that video out. It might help you. So if you are a college going girl or an office going girl or someone who goes out on a daily basis and you deal with cramps but you cannot carry hot water bag or even ice pack right to your office or college, that's when this comes in handy. This is like a self-heating patch. I'm gonna show you how this works. So this is how the shape looks like. So basically you are supposed to put it over here where it exactly pains over here, right? The soft side, this is supposed to be against your skin, and this sticky side is supposed to peel this sticker off and stick this to your underwear, and there you go. Once you peel this off and it's there near your skin, it will start heating up. Obviously it will not give you chatka, it will not burn you, don't worry about that. It's not a proper hot bag जो हम घर पे use करते हैं पानी डाल के या फिर electric वाली. This is not that. Also it's made with 100% natural ingredients, so it's safe to use, don't worry about that. And this stays hot for say 8 hours, up to 8 hours, and it will start heating up within 20 minutes. This works great for mild to moderate cramps, and I think it's so travel friendly. You don't have to carry like your hot bags or ice pack. I personally love Noah as a brand and I highly recommend you guys check this product out. I have a coupon code as well which is flashing on the screen right now, which will give you 20% off, and I'm also inserting the screen recording so you will know exactly how to apply the coupon code. This coupon code is not gonna give me any benefit, this is just for you guys. So if you are someone who deals with cramps or who's someone who feels weak during the periods, and if you love the feeling of something hot on your belly, then definitely check this out. So this is my outfit of the day: shorts and sweatshirt. I love this lavender sweatshirt. So I'm wearing the patch right now. Can you even make it out? Like, I wish I could show it to you, but obviously it's inappropriate to show you that area, but I am wearing the patch inside and it's just so comfortable. Wow, I have not even removed the tag, and I definitely need to clean the mirror. This looks pretty.
So what did you get?
So I got these red balls and the silver ones, this candy. That's it. I'm thinking to take either these or this, but then my tree is already processed. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. It's 18th. And it's almost 11 o'clock. I was just editing the vlog that you guys are watching right now. So basically I was gonna end the vlog right now, but I just wanted to come here and talk to you guys about something. So because this is happening on my skin, and there are a lot of heavy medicinal products that I'm using by the Dermat. My skin tends to get really dry even when I put a lot of moisturizer, and because it's winter time, that's why it's affecting my skin really badly. And I don't know if you guys can catch it on camera, but wait, let me just decrease the brightness. My skin, like, can you see the red patches? It's getting so dry, like around my mouth and stuff. So I just wanted to tell you guys that you know, sometimes even I have days where I feel like crying, or I feel so upset about my skin and I don't feel confident, but that shouldn't make you feel insecure. There's a difference between not feeling confident and feeling insecure. Okay, do not be insecure because of your skin or the way you look. It's okay to feel ugly sometimes, you know what I mean. We do feel that, you know, I look so ugly, man. Like, it's okay to feel that way, but that should not make you insecure. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, because if I am suffering from so much, and I know that people, girls or boys, suffer from much worse, it's okay to come in front of the camera, or it's okay to click pictures, because I know a lot of people are very shy to click pictures when they have a lot of pimples. Why? I mean, it's okay if you have pimples, it's okay if you are having a hair loss situation, it's okay अगर यहाँ पे bald spot दिख रहा है तो you can fix it. Okay, so rather than taking stress about it, rather than spoiling your mood, just get up and do your things normally the way you always do. So today I am gonna decorate the Christmas tree. I'm so excited. Kiru is coming to help me out. I am meeting her after so many days. I missed her so much. So I am gonna vlog that. Prerit is not gonna be there, just by the way. Sahil is not gonna be there. CK will also not be there, but Sahil and CK will join us later in the evening. Abhi sirf Kiran aa rahi hai studio pe. So yeah, so there is no point in me vlogging that in this, because I want to keep that vlog separate, because I know this vlog will be very long then. So yeah, I'm ending the video on that note. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the Nua Cram Comfort. I'll be leaving the link of it in the description box below, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.